I want to show you guys my price list for 2021. I just updated it. It is effective January 1st. I made a section for new customers. In there, it includes whatever service that a person wants to book, as well as a consultation. This appointment is higher than any other appointment, but it's only for your first visit. So after the first visit, it goes back down. I want to show you guys what it looks like. Welcome back to the channel. Christopher Manyweather here with Dead Stock Barbershop. And today what I want to give you guys was a part 2 of my online booking. Take a look and enjoy this video.
Louis the 15th.
You got my name right here, Christopher Manyweather. I'm a barber. My business name is Dead Stock Barbershop. Here are my reviews. 5-star reviews, 678 reviews left, limited availability. If you want to read some of my reviews, you can come right here. So the first thing you notice, you see popular services, and I'm going to show you guys what's new. So this is from the aspect of a first time visitor. You know, you're new to my online booking, so you want to read, you want to check things out. So what I added was first time, question mark, start here. So this is where you'll go. New client appointment, first timers only. It is $60 for a 60-minute haircut and beard or haircut only, but it includes a in-depth, thorough consultation. I take pride in my consultations because I try to get as much details, as much information in the consultation so that before I start this haircut, I have a clear image of what it is that you want. I'm going to say that back to you. You give me the go ahead, and then we can go ahead and start. When they see this, this is what they're going to see for first timers. You guys can read this. It says a great haircut is completed before I pick up my tools or grab my scissors. It starts with listening. A thorough consultation ensures satisfaction. I take pride in getting it right every time, but it is in the first visit that the magic happens. If I cut your hair, whatever I gave you that first time is what you'll get every time. If you want to have a nice haircut that is consistent, we have to spend time in a consultation so that we can make sure that what you want is exactly what you get and exactly what you'll get in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, however you like to get your haircut schedule. That's new for me. I've never actually charged for a consultation. What I have done is lost money for consultations because whenever I do get new customers, what I do is I will make sure that there's at least a 15-minute gap behind that person because most people don't know what to pick. You know, I'm trying to simplify my schedule and not have so many options. So people will pick the wrong thing, or they'll pick, let's just say it's a 30-minute spot, but they really needed a 45 or an hour spot, but that's all they saw. You know, so I'm trying to eliminate that as well as give them exactly what they need so it works out for both parties. Like I said, with me blocking out 15 minutes after each appointment, what that does is it costs me money overall, especially if I have 2 or 3 new people in a day, you know, and a lot of times I do up to 1 new person a day. I really want some feedback. What do you guys think about that consultation fees? I know cosmetologists who do charge for a consultation, but I know that there are some out there who don't, and people charge anywhere from 10, 15. I've paid $50 for my wife to get when she had to get her hair done. It was a $50 consultation. It's newer on our side of the industry. I saw someone doing this maybe a couple years back, but I don't see it consistently throughout our industry the way I do with hairdressers. Or this is my new schedule, so I liked how I set it up. I added that first time start here. I also, so they don't get it confused, when they come back, the price is no longer $60. Now we get into the new price list of haircuts. Welcome back. I made sure that I put welcome back on there so they know that, okay, this is where I'm supposed to be selecting my service from. And also in that consultation, I will make sure that they know what to pick next time. So that is all a part of a thorough consultation and running your business as smoothly as possible. So haircuts were $30. Now they're $40, effective 1/1/21. Cut and beard, everything pretty much increased $10. So now that's $50 instead of $40. Scissor, fade, and beard, $50. Specialty services, Haircut and design, $50. After or before hours are $100. Off day haircuts, $100. House calls, $150. And so this is my price list. It's simplified, makes it easy for anybody to come and book with me. I'm looking forward to seeing who the first person is going to be to book the new client consultation haircut appointment. And I want to get some feedback from them. What do you guys think? Is it too much? Should it already be included? It is included already, but should I be charging for it? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. And this has been day 15. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care and God bless.